Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today we're going to install a spoiler, a matte finish spoiler in my Model Y. It came from a Tasmanian website. It was on sale actually for the Black Friday, and I got it for $100, which is a really good deal. I've been waiting for this, and this spoiler is selling in Tesla, I think, for $800. So actually this spoiler came in this box right here, and I already opened it, but before to get to the spoiler, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, also share with your friends. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so the spoiler came in this box right here. Like I said, I already opened it, so this is our spoiler. Okay, and it came with a couple of stuff, but let me put my camera in stand and then. Okay, so this is our spoiler. It came really packed, really nice. It had a foam covering into it, but I took it off. So anyway, another thing it came with was adhesive promoter, and there's an instruction manual to it. Okay, so let's go. Before installing it, just pretty much simple installation. This one has a two-sided tape. They put it on, and then you just peel it. First clean it with the alcohol, or I'm gonna use like a little soap, not soap actually, no water car wash, and then just gonna peel this, and then we're just gonna install it. But installing, you need a trick, okay? Which I'll show you right now. So this thing goes fit in like this on the back. Okay, but one thing you have to make sure is this thing fits right on the middle, right on the side. So make sure on both sides it fits right. So just put it on top like that. See, there's a gap in here, right? You can see the gap. All right, so that's not good. So that means you have to move it towards that side a little bit. Okay, so now let's try. Okay, here. So this is good. This side is good. And let's see this side. Okay. So now it's pretty good here. I think we can move a little bit down here. Okay. So both are good. So before peeling the tape off, I'm gonna put markings here. I'm gonna put tape on both sides. Okay. So let's put the tapes. So right now we place it on the middle. Just before installation, you look at it. Oh my God, it changed the entire beauty of this car. I just putting one black piece on it, it changed the entire thing. So let me put a tape. I have a little electrical tape, right? So I'm gonna put one side, little tape here. And the other side, I put it on the tape. So when I take it off to peel the tape off, the two-side tape off, so when I put it back, I know exactly where both end goes. So it's very important. Make sure you do that. Okay. So I already marked both sides. So now just taking this thing off. Okay. Putting I'm cleaning with the Sanso waterless car wash. This is what I use to wash my car on winter days, because the water is so cold out. This one is really good. So let me clean it. Okay, I cleaned it very well, and now we're gonna apply this thing, a decent promoter. Okay, this is what we're gonna use it. Just gonna tear it off. And it has like alcohol, like a pad in it. Okay, this thing promotes. Now let's wait 2 minutes. So let me show you the instruction. It's in Chinese and English. This will be, clean it pretty much, and then pretty much, a few seconds. Okay, it's ready. Let's peel the sticky off from the thing. Goes there. Okay, both ends are gone. So this goes like this. Make sure it goes both end. Okay, that's it. Now you can take off both sides. And look at how beautiful it is. Wow, look at this. It changed the entire beauty of this car, and it's really nice. Matte finish really go in with our matte blackout of our window sills. I mean window thing. And there's a small gap here, which is okay, but if you look at, it's really nice. Really nice fit. And the bottom too. Bottom. Really nice. Look at that. Just a single black piece changed the car. And that's the thing I want to get is the matte finish lip for the front bumper, which I will get it probably soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video, and make sure you watch some kind of installation video before you install it, because if you don't put the tape on both sides, you're gonna screw it up, because it's tape is so kind of strong. Once you put it on, it's not gonna be easy to take it off. So make sure you watch it. That's very good tip for that installation. Okay, and if you want to get one of these, I'll put a link on my description, and you can click that link and then you can buy it from there. And if you like this video, again, share it with your friends. I will come with another video soon. Till then, it's me Aldo signing off. Bye bye.